right, now we're gonna try releasing the drone, man, for y'all. Hopefully we got ladies watching too. It's gonna be interesting. First time really doing this in public, so here's gonna be bike night from a bird's eye view. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Ice Closer channel. This is your boy Ice, and you guys are watching History in the Making. This is my first drone video. I just got my drone, my commercial drone pilot's license late December. I got the drone for Christmas, and I jumped right in. I've been practicing all these shots in private, where there's no cars and the sun's out and there's no like wires or people or anything. This is the first time I was ever using the drone with a lot of people around, and you guys are gonna see some jerky movements that probably are not the most appealing to the eye, but this channel is all about the journey in chasing your dreams, not just the results of chasing your dreams. So this is how it looks with me learning how to fly. I have the DJI Mavic Air 2, and I was just trying to get some good shots. This is my favorite shot of the night. It was nice and simple. I wish I kind of caught on that simple shots, particularly in very complex environments, do a great job. There's so many people moving around, there's so many bikes. It was a little overwhelming. And then you see this shot is not really set up very well. The lighting's not very good. And I was panning up, but it probably would have just been a lot better if I started facing them. Having this big thing covering the gas station, the kind of hood of the gas station, also made it a little difficult for me because I'd never really shot something like that, and it forced me to fly the drone lower than I wanted to with the other people around. So in retrospect, now I'll just find like an open space and operate out of that open space so other people can see the drone and they don't have to worry about it flying over their head. So I also got a little too focused on trying to get the right angle for some of these kind of drifting maneuvers. This is just the second half of that shot I said I really liked earlier. But I got a little focus on the drifting maneuvers, and I do work on that. Drifting is kind of like moving in a circular motion one way or the other. So I got a little focus on that, but some simple shots like just going straight with the camera maybe pointed down 45 degrees, just going straight over the gas station and using that as kind of like a barrier or transition. It's something I should have done. Some wide angles, maybe some descending angles, and just some kind of still shots. I also tried hyperlapse for the first time. It did not work because I didn't do it long enough. So next time I'm gonna try to get there early, and as everyone piles in, I'll do a hyperlapse. So I like this shot as well. That's probably my second favorite shot of the night. And then you see like the lights flashing and all that stuff. I just really needed to let the subjects work for themselves. But I really enjoyed it. To be honest, I was nervous, and I noticed when I was kind of clipping some of this, the jerky movements were likely one because I was getting used to everything and I didn't want to hit the drone or anything, or affect anybody negative. Here you guys see the McLaren and the other bikes exiting, and I like the shot, but it's definitely things I want to work on moving forward. I'm very excited about where this channel is going. The drone will be back, as the Avengers always say, or in Marvel they always say, this villain will be back. The drone will be back, and the videos are going to keep getting better and better. You guys, I would love if you guys could subscribe, whether this is the first time watching or you've watched it before. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. It's going to be a great journey, and I'm excited to get better at this craft and see, what other things we can do to bring a good light to the motorcycle community. So yeah, join us. Welcome to the journey. Welcome to the channel, and I will see you guys later. Peace.